Hello. Hi. I'll talk about how to set up other elements of a hydrological model, like nodes and contacts. Links. Okay. Links we have contacts, wells, outlets. Nodes we have outfalls, junctions. All right. First is junctions. I just want to show you. So junctions, the only thing you want to talk about is elevation. So junction is the point that connect links. So you see here I have links, and all the links is actually is junctions define links. Okay, so we should have junctions first, and then links are basically between different junctions. Okay, so junction, I think the most important thing is the elevation. And what the elevation mean is you see here every links like pipes or ditches or just anything. You want to look at what they call the invert elevation, which means the bottom of it. Okay, so the elevation is the bottom of your pipes or your gutter trenches, ditches, all those things. Okay, so and the only thing you need to enter is the invert animation down here. Okay, and it's the same thing, very easy. Just click plus sign and then you hit a point and then that's it. Okay, and usually you wanna place your junction in this for example in the right place of your watershed. Okay, you don't want to place here. You want to place in the like a gate. Like a watershed. You want to place the point that is all of the water gathering on this point and flow out to another watershed. Okay, so you want to do something like this. Okay, um, so basically is if we draw like hydrological model for something GIS or something, junction is the basically different stream flow. It's a place when different stream flow they touch each other. Okay, um, so that's the point. Okay, and I have junctions, and once you have junctions, you could then we need to set up links. So basically, major link we use is contacts. What it was is um, it's basically just a pipe or gutter or just anything. You need to set up an inert node, outlet node, which means just set up the direction of your pipe. Okay, where the water go from and go. Okay, let's make sure inlet is higher than the outlet, and the shape that's very important. So see here shape, you can set up with different shapes. Okay, so different shape have different parameters. Um, the only thing is maximum height. That's really important. By the way, the unit is feet. Okay. So the height is, from the top to the bottom. How high was that? Okay. If max larger than this, they will flood it. Okay. Roughness. Now again, you could find a table on it. See there's two different ones. These closed contacts and open channels. Okay, you all have tables for it. You can check them out. Um, I think basically that's it. And the other thing is what they call the offset. Basically, offset was is if you look at this, sometimes there is a difference between junction and links. Okay, so the junction, the bottom of junction, is actually lower than the links. If this happens, we just use offset. Most of the time you don't have to set them up because landscape architect, you don't, it's estimation. Just give you a big idea. You don't have to be, you know care about those nuances. Again, this unit is fit. Okay, and you can choose different shapes. um so to set them up is very easy. You just for example, you just click contact, you just click this plus sign, and then just draw. You just click one point, and then they will have a line. Then you just draw the other point. Then they already have the direction for you. Okay, so you double click. See here, they already have the inlet and outlet. So the inlet and outlet is finished when you draw them. Okay, so basically that's this. So once you set up all those things, you pretty much you're very good in terms of you know run a model, a complex model. Okay, I think this model is pretty complex. They have multiple watershed, They have streamlines, junctions, links, junctions, and outfall. So it's pretty good. Um, then that's this. Then I will say, I will look at how to run this model in the next video.